What are filters? Any ad blocker is based on filtering rules. Each rule is a string written in a language the ad blocker understands. Filtering rules define how and what to block. When combined together, rules comprise what is called a filter. Usually filters consist of rules with a similar purpose. For example, AdGuard annoyances filters block pop-ups, cookie notices, widgets, and other irritating elements. And AdGuard URL tracking filter removes specific analytics tags from website addresses. There are many people involved in creating filters: ad blocker developers, enthusiasts, and even regular users. All of them develop new filters or help improve existing ones. As new ad technologies appear, ad blocking techniques become obsolete, and the rules stop working. Our developers constantly improve and update AdGuard filters to mitigate this problem. Thanks to community support, AdGuard filter engineers respond quickly to changes. There are dozens of filters built into AdGuard. These are usually enough to enjoy the internet without ads. But you can add other filters made by you or by developers you trust. Don't settle for less, choose AdGuard.